Back at it again. Time to go remove this right here up off here. And gonna test the double plate on this side. I already did this side, cover it back up before I left. But now we start on this today. Part 2 of the double plate. See what I get up here. Oh. See, I staggered it right here. For the tighten, for the drill this right there to that. Then drill it down to that. Then drill it on that. Then on that. That all it was good right there, so I kept that. So this is what we're doing. I'm in here. As you can see, this is the inside. See, I put all new framing in here, everywhere up here. Now I had to cut in between there, and I had to lock it in a certain way to get it like that. But got that. Got that, so I left the original wood there because I didn't want to ride it there, so I kept that. I locked that in. I'll put a 2x4 right there on that. Now, over here, let's see. Yeah, can you see this? See right here? This right here where the electrical panel was at right here. So, see. So, now I got to cut that on out. I got to cut that top out. I had to put a brace up here to support it so it won't fall in on me. But then I put that there, then replace that part out. Then I might keep that little piece right there because it ain't rotted or nothing. So that's what I'm doing. Everything else, then work on the window. Frying this window on out. See just the bracing from electrical panel down there. Come up here, run up the wall. Come over here. Come over here. Come over there. It's in this box right here, so I need to unscrew this and cut it and take that apart and unloose that so I can have some room to do my thing. This is what it's like up here in this little attic area. So, is what it is. This is what I'm doing. Okay, so looking at it from this angle right here, let me go up a little bit. See, that's the electrical wires running from here to there, to there, to there, to there, down to the panel. See, running down from the panel. I'm up there down to the panel, down to here, and to the panel box. It'd be better if I just, unhook it from right there. Right there, the little black wire is at the bottom, the little brown one is at the top, so do it like that. It's probably better if I do it like that and take those staples out the wall. Yeah, because the other way I'm gonna be doing a lot more wiring. I don't feel like doing that much wiring right now. Simple mind, simple man. Okay, you want to see what I'm doing here? I already know I hooked that one. Trying to do this one hand though, so I should put it on the tripod or something. Okay, cool. Get that. The hell just dropped? What just dropped, man? Oh well. What else just dropped? That'll be replaced out. Yeah, whatever it is. So, yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Oh crap! Gotta get back here now. I'm still doing this one hand, so sorry about this. Let me go. Okay, just took that out. And now, time to do the thigh now. Okay, just unhook that. Now white wire, black wire. Figure that out. Once I do this right here. Now, okay. Now I gotta take these staples up out of here. Yep, smaller pockets. Yeah. Now I gotta pull it out there. And let's see how we're gonna do that. Hey, just put a little temporary wall for right here. I gotta take that out. This right here out. I don't know if you can see it. I gotta take it right out. So I gotta put a temporary wall just for now. Just for those two right there. Everything else is good. So okay. Now let's remove that up. Let's remove that on up out of here. Okay. I just cut that piece out. That's it. So now on the baiting sheet, I cut this little piece on out. That's the last little piece of that. So I could cut it about right here. Yeah, I could cut it about right there. Got that saving a lot of trouble. That part there look like it might be no good. So I might y'all don't cut the piece on out. But for right now, I'm gonna cut this piece out. Right here. Yep. Have to cut it out a little bit more cleaner. See it right there. Alright, cut it at an angle. I think I'm gonna cut that on about there. I could. I don't know. I could leave it ain't that bad, but that looks bad to me. So I'm gonna cut that on about there. But first, we're gonna replace this part right here. Okay. What I did was I just replaced this part right here. As you can see, if I move it back, see? See, I replaced that part right there. I'm gonna glue that part back in right here. So, just got a little piece right here. I might cut this right here from right here to probably right here or something, or right here, right here, or right here. But that's what I'm doing. So it'll be right there. Cut it right there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut it right there. That'd be better. If I could have something to sit on. Let's sit on that 2x4, then that, then that. So that'd be a lot better for me. That'd be another day. Then that's the last of this right here. Everything else is just dirt, but everything else is clean. Whew, a lot of work today. Everybody come and ask me about how much I'm gonna rent out for, how much I'm gonna do this, how much I'm gonna do that. Hey, just trying to finish. As you can see, it's getting dark. It's probably about 7 o'clock now. But I had to put that on up there. I'm probably replacing that 2x4. I'm probably gonna cut a 2x4 right now, real quick. Gonna cut one real quick and going on if I can get on about this more. And put that back, that back up. Whew. Yeah. So, yep, it's getting tired. I'm trying to sweep up, keep everything clean and neat in here. But yeah, I'm about out today. See you tomorrow. That's a little bit later than I thought I was gonna be here. I had to put that 2x4 up there. So got that I put one 2x4 right there. Then I put the other 2x4 right next to it.